morning children. This video is for class 1 students and the subject is computer. Okay. In last video we have just completed chapter number 3. Chapter number 3. Now we are going to start the exercise portion of this chapter. First of all, if you can see on your screen, then I have written here chapter 3. So as same as you have to write it in your computer copy. So first of all, you just take out your computer copy, write down there chapter 3 in a new page. Then the name of the chapter, parts of computer. Then today's date, it is 2nd July 2020. So you just write down in your computer copy, and then after you have to do the exercise question. So you just open your book. You can see the page number is here, page number 21. You just open this page number 21, and here we will start from question number 1. Okay, so what is this question? Question number 1, if you can see, arrange the jumbled words to find the names of the different parts of a computer with the help of given hint. So hints are given here. You have to arrange the letters, and then you have to make a particular word which is related with this hint and with computer also. So first is CUP, and the hint is given the brain of the computer. So which is known as the brain of computer? With the help of these 3 letters you have to find out the actual word. So that is the CPU. I have written here. You also write it in your book, and then after you do in your copy. So CPU, you have to arrange it like this. CPU is known as the brain of computer. The next one is RIOMNTO, and the hint is I can display result. So which word you have to make? You have to find out the word which is related with the computer and which can display the result. So that is the monitor. I have written here monitor, MONITOR. Okay, monitor. The C, number C, BAORDYEK. These are the letters. You have to arrange it. The hint is I can type alphabets. The word which is able to type alphabets in computer, which is that word? That is the keyboard. I have written here K, arrange it, EYBOAR, and D, keyboard. The next one is mouse. Mouse is the word, and you can see that jumble words are given here, OUMSE. You have to arrange it. The clue is given I can draw picture. Here it is written, mistake is here, I can draw pictures. So the word is MOUSE, mouse. Mouse is able to draw picture in computer. So once again I am going to explain the answer. Number 1, A, you have to arrange all the words, letters to form a particular word which is related with this hint. The brain of the computer, it is CPU. I can display result, it is monitor. I can type alphabets, it is keyboard. I can draw pictures, it is mouse. So question number 1 is completed. Now we are moving to question number 2. The next question. Look at the pictures and fill in the boxes. Number A, you have to look at these pictures and you have to fill here. On which part of the computer is Sher Singh standing? This is the Sher Singh. So Sher Singh is standing on which part of a computer? You have to identify the picture, which part is this. So it is CPU. Okay, so write down there CPU. Number B, which part of the computer is Tommy playing with? Here it is Tommy, and which part of computer he is using for playing? It is keyboard. Identify the part of this computer. Keyboard. It is keyboard. So write here keyboard. KEYBOARD. It is keyboard. The next one. Next, turn your book page. It is your page number 22. We are moving to page number 22. Question number 3. Fill in the circles to name the given parts of a computer. Again you have to identify the picture, which part is this, and you have to fill their name in these circles. So first one, it is, which part of the computer is this? Yes, it is keyboard. So you have to write the spelling KEYBOARD, keyboard. The next one, which part of computer is this? It is monitor. So you have to write the monitor MONITOR, monitor. The next one, this is, which part of computer is this? It is UPS. So you have to write down the UPS. Is it correct? Am I correct? Is it UPS? Yes or no? You think? Is it look like an UPS or some other parts of computer is this? Yes, I am wrong. It is not UPS. It is a speaker. Okay, so it looks like a speaker. You have to find out where we have to start to write the speaker. From here, SPEAKER. One circle you have to add here. It is missing KER. SPEAKER, speaker. Which part of is this? It is CPU. CPU. So CPU. And this one last is mouse. MOUSE, mouse. So question number 3 is again completed. Now question number 4. We are moving to next question. In question number 4, in this question, if you read out the question, what you have to do? Color the parts of a computer and write their names. You have to color these parts of computer and write their name. Again same thing, you have to identify the part of this computer and write their name. So I am writing the name here. You are and what you have to do, you have to just color it in your book, and then after you have to draw it in your copy and then again color it. Okay, so this is your homework. It is your homework. You just draw these parts of computer, color it, and then write their name. First one is monitor. MONITOR, monitor. Second one is keyboard. KEYBOARD, keyboard. The third one is CPU. CPU. Last is mouse. MOUSE, mouse. So these are the different parts of computer, you have to just learn the spellings of these parts of computer and write it in your computer copy. The next question is, that is question number 5. What you have to do in this question? Join the dots and name the pictures made by dots. Here you can see the dots are given, and with each and every dots one number is given. So first one from here, it is started from here 1, 2. You have to draw a line in between 1 and 2. Then 2, 3, again one line, 3 to 4. You have to join these dots with a line, and then at the end you can see one picture is going to be drawn by you by joining all these dots, and then you have to identify that picture and write their name. Okay, it is a computer system. So these things also you have to do in your copy. First you have to draw it here in your computer book, and then after you have to draw this computer system in your computer copy. Understood? Now I am going to show you how you have to write it in your copy. Question number 1. The first one, if you can see, you have to write here chapter number 3, parts of computer, then today's date. Question number 1A. 1A. First you have to write down the clue, the brain of the computer. Okay, and then you have to put an arrow and then write down the answer. It is CPU. Okay, number B. I can display result. I can display results. Again arrow, you have to write down the answer, that is the monitor. Number C. I can type alphabets. Okay, the answer you have to write keyboard. Next one, number D. I can draw pictures. The answer is mouse. Question number 1 is completed. Now we are moving to question number 2. What you have to do? You have to just draw the picture which is given in your book. You have to draw this picture. These two pictures you have to draw and write down the answer. Again we are moving to question number 3. So 2 I am not going to write it here because you have to do same as given in your book. You have to draw the picture and write down the name. Now we are moving to question number 3. Okay, what you have to do here, you can see in question number 3, circle. In circle you have to write down the name. So first one I am going to do for you, and the rest of the pictures you have to draw by itself. So first what you have to do, number A, you have to draw the picture. Suppose I am going to start with this monitor. Okay, so you have to draw a monitor on your paper. Just draw a monitor. Okay, this type of monitor you have to draw, color it and write down the name of this part. It is your monitor. So same as you have to do in your copy. Number B, number C, number D and number E. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 pictures you have to draw here and write down the name. Again in question number 4, same as you have to draw the picture and write the name. And then again in question number 5, in this question also you have to draw the computer system and then color it. Okay, so that's all for today's class. We will meet in next class with some extra questions. I am going to prepare some extra questions for you from inside the chapter, and also I am going to give you the answer for that. So it is in next video, and thank you and have a nice day.